Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to update your Happy Color application using your iOS device. So let's dive into the video without wasting much of our time. First of all, open your App Store from your app drawer. Go to the search box and type in Happy Color and check if there is an update available for your app. Open up the application, and if you see an update button instead of open, then simply tap on Update to download the latest version of Happy Color application on your mobile device. The new updates for the app comes up with bug fixes and performance improvement, so make sure to update your application now and then. So that is how you can easily update to the latest version of Happy Color. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.